Are there many pubs in Killarney? If you are curious about the pub scene in Killarney, you are in for a treat. This charming town is home to a vibrant collection of over 50 pubs. Despite its small size, measuring about 800 meters from one end to the other, Killarney boasts a lively atmosphere that attracts both locals and visitors alike. With a population of around 15,000, the town's pubs play a significant role in its social life. Many of these pubs maintain a traditional Irish character, creating an inviting space for everyone. You will find cozy interiors adorned with local photographs and a warm ambience that makes you feel right at home. A popular spot is Jimmy Brien's, known for its excellent Guinness and friendly vibe. It is a favorite among tourists and residents, making it a must-visit. Another noteworthy establishment is O'Connor's, which offers a classic Irish pub experience. The Laurels is also a historic family-run pub that serves delicious gastropub-style food, making it a great place to grab a bite. Each pub has its own unique charm and character, ensuring that there is something for everyone. Beyond just enjoying a drink, many pubs in Killarney feature live traditional Irish music daily. This adds to the cultural experience and makes the town a hotspot for those who appreciate Irish music and social gatherings. The variety of pubs ranges from classic traditional bars to modern venues that offer craft beers and various entertainment options. For travelers exploring Ireland, Killarney's extensive pub scene is a key part of its charm. After a day of visiting nearby attractions like the Ring of Kerry, you can unwind in one of the many pubs. They are conveniently located throughout the main streets, making them easily accessible for visitors. In summary, Killarney is home to over 50 pubs that offer a delightful mix of traditional Irish experiences, live music, and quality food. The welcoming atmosphere makes it a central part of the town's appeal for anyone visiting Ireland.